In this video, you'll learn how to create a task management system in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to organize your tasks effectively within this versatile platform. This guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. You can do this by typing quote Notion dot, so quote, into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can either log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. After logging in, look for the templates option located in the left sidebar of the Notion interface. Clicking on templates will direct you to a variety of pre-designed templates that you can utilize for different purposes. This feature allows you to save time by using existing layouts tailored for specific tasks. At this point, you will want to search for task management templates. In the search bar, type task management and press enter. This action will display a list of available task management templates that you can choose from, allowing you to find one that best suits your needs. Once you see the templates, look for the one labeled Task Management Kanban. Click on this specific template to view its details. This Kanban board is designed to help you visually organize tasks, making it easier to track progress and manage workloads effectively. Next, you will have the option to add this template to your workspace. Click on the Add button to incorporate the Task Management Kanban into your Notion setup. This process may take a moment as Notion integrates the template into your workspace, so please wait patiently for the confirmation. After adding the template, click on the More button to access additional settings and customization options. This feature allows you to further tailor the Kanban board to fit your specific workflow and preferences, ensuring that it meets your unique task management requirements. In the next step, click on the Task Management Kanban title to open the board. This will bring you to the main interface where you can start customizing your tasks. You should see predefined columns for tasks, which you can modify based on your workflow. Now, you will want to set up the priority levels for your tasks. Click on the priority option to define how urgent or important each task is. This categorization will help you focus on what needs to be done first. Following this, click on the categories option to classify your tasks into different groups. Organizing tasks by categories aids in better management and allows for easier navigation within the Kanban board. You can create custom categories based on your projects or areas of focus. Finally, you can click on the calendar feature to integrate a calendar view into your task management system. This view will help you visualize deadlines and upcoming tasks, providing a comprehensive overview of your schedule. Make sure to check your calendar regularly to stay on track with your tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a task management system in Notion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.